Hold on, what do you hear? Is the wiper blade making a chirping sound while working? Don't ignore this situation. Go to the service area. They might suggest replacing your wiper blade, or even the entire wiper arm. I'll show you a trick today. It won't cost you a penny to fix it. First, let's remove the wiper blade. There's a small clip holding it in place. Pull it outwards. See? It comes off easily. Now, here's the important part. Slowly place the wiper arm on the windshield, then inspect the wiper arm. You'll notice it doesn't fit perfectly. There's a gap with the windshield. It's slightly warped. Let's take a look. This side seems fine, but on this side, see how it's curved up? That's not normal. This causes the chirping and jumping. The fix is quite simple. We'll adjust it with the screwdriver. Now it's installed and fixed. I'll test it soon. If it's quiet, please like and support. See? No noise at all. Problem solved. Easy, right? Bye. Like and subscribe.